guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but we are back today with another hair tutorial. We are going to be doing some boho passion twist. Okay, so I'm just showing y'all everything that you're gonna need for today, like all your accessories and stuff. So I picked up these accessories in the beauty supply store. They were like $2 a piece. We're gonna use some Shine and Jam today for the parting and stuff. Also pick an edge control. This is my favorite one, the Style Factor Edge Booster. I'm gonna oil my scalp, so pick your favorite oil. This one is really nice. It's the green apple and aloe. Got this from Walmart. And then of course you're gonna need some clips. You're gonna need a beater or a latch hook, whatever you like to use. Y'all know on this channel, baby, we use a beater, but if you wanna use a latch hook, you can. Well, you're gonna need a beater for like if you put beads on or something, but you're gonna need this to actually put the hair in, because we're gonna be doing the rubber band method. You're gonna need a toothbrush or some kind of brush for your edge control, some scissors, rat tail comb, and then of course rubber bands, because like I said, we're doing the rubber band method today. So these are all the products. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the hair. I want to go ahead and start this video off by saying thank you so much to Samsbeauty for sponsoring today's video. So as you guys can see, we are doing another voiceover today. Okay, so I am showing you guys here the hair. Absolutely gorgeous. You guys can see the hair is super duper long. It is 32 inches long. Okay, so I decided to cut the hair for this specific style because we're going to be doing a short style today. So now we are here in the bathroom, girl. I know the lighting is not the best, but this is what we're working with for right now. We're not going to stay in here the whole time. Okay, so here we are just parting the hair. So what I like to do is part my hair down the middle, and then I like to do another part going from ear to ear. I saw a stylist part her braids like this on Instagram, and I was like, yes, I really like the way that looks. So I just went ahead and did from ear to ear and then down the middle. And you guys can see, of course, we're going to be using our Shine and Jam to help to get those parts really nice and like crisp looking. You know, we're doing our best to get them to look, you know, professional. So we're putting a little more jam on the edges, and then I'm going to go ahead and brush that in, and then I'm going to start parting. So I'm going to have 4 rows on each side of my head. So just for reference, if you guys would like to know. So as you guys can see, we are doing the rubber band method today. So like I said, I'm going to have 4 rows on each side of my head. Each row is going to have basically about 3. So when you're close towards the ear, that row has 2. The next 2 rows each have 3, and then the row after that has 4. That will be the middle row. Now I'm showing you guys here how I use my mirror to basically see the back of my head. Now this is not going to work for everyone, but if you do have a door that is kind of like in front of like your large vanity mirror, this will work great for you. That's why I wanted to share in case you have not thought about doing this. So this is me just basically parting my hair. I ended up, I believe, having 5 rows in the back. So this bottom row has 3, and then I think the next 2 have like 5, and then 5 or 6, like going all the way up. So we're gonna go ahead and start installing the twist here. So super easy. You're literally just gonna take your beater, put it under the rubber band, take the hair, put it through the loop, and then you're going to pull it so that it's under the rubber band, and then you will just pull one side through. So really easy. You just pull one side through, and then you're just going to start to twist. So once you check and see that both sides are even, you can part your hair in half, and then go ahead and apply whatever product you're going to be using. I am using jam, so I'm going to put a little bit of that on each strand of hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start twisting. Now I do twist each side as I twist. Hopefully that makes sense. So it will be like if you've ever done Senegalese twists before, like back in the day when Senegalese twists were like really popular, and you know, you like twist each side as you're twisting. That's basically what I'm doing here. Now what I will say is I'm not quite sure how some of them kind of look like spring twist, like the one that I just did, and then some of the other ones look kind of like looser, like bohemian twist. I felt like I was, you know, twisting as I went for every single, you know, twist that I did, but I'm not 100% sure. It's not a big deal to me. I actually prefer it like this because these are like boho type twists. So I like that they're kind of like all different, but I wanted to figure out what exactly I was doing in case you guys wanted to get a specific look and have them all be uniformed. But I honestly just could not figure out what the difference is. I guess it's like maybe how tight you're twisting on some versus like how loose it is on others. So all I can say is that I was twisting each side when I was doing these twists. So hopefully that helps you guys out. But you guys can see here, it's really, really easy. Literally, once again, I'm just showing you guys how to put the beater under and then put the hair through the loop and then basically twist both sides. You can also use a latch hook for this. That will work just fine. But if you guys are not new to my channel, girl, then you already know I do not like the crochet braid latch hook. I do not use it even on crochet braid styles. So I absolutely love the beater. It's just super easy, does not snag my hair or anything like that. And you can pick those up from the beauty supply store, also on like Amazon and stuff like that. They're literally like $1. So really, really quick and easy. So what I'm doing here, as you guys can see, is just continuing to twist the hair all the way down to the end. You do not need to use any rubber bands for this style. If you want to put rubber bands at the end, you definitely can. I'm letting you guys know that I did not. So that is totally up to you. So I'm just going to continue to twist my hair, and you guys are able to see how it looks in the front. Now that the front is all done, I went ahead and did the whole front first, so you guys can see how the twists look really nice, right? And I'm just going to go ahead and move on to the back of my head. So this, you're going to literally continue the same thing. You guys may see that my hair is looking, my like actual hair is looking a little white. And that is because I had to change from jam to the Braids, I think like edge wax or beeswax or whatever, because I ran out of jam. So you can honestly use either one. I ended up using the edge wax for probably the top 2 rows in the back, so you can definitely use that as an alternative to the jam if you don't want to use jam or if you don't have any. So this is how they are looking now that they're all complete. And now we're going to go ahead and make them like boho. So basically all I'm doing once again is taking the beater, putting it under the rubber bands, and then I'm just going to take the hair and I'm going to pull it through one side and just make a knot. And then like the small knot is literally just going to be under the rubber band. You're not going to be able to see it. You don't need to knot it 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I literally just pulled it through and that was it. It's really, really simple. It's not going to come out. Like it's really easy to do. So this is all I did to kind of get that boho type of vibe. I love the way this looks. I just think it is absolutely just so cute. Now I'm just showing you guys how I add on some of like the charms and stuff. So I wanted to add on some shells for this one. So basically the little gold rings came in one of the packs that I got. So I just took that little gold ring, I put the shell on the ring, and then that was how I attached it to my hair. I think there's like other ways that you can do it, but this worked out the best for twist. I think it might be a little easier to like pull it through if you had braids or something like that, like pull it through the shell directly, but this was like super easy and worked out great. So this is the final look. I absolutely love it. I just love how like bohemian it looks. These like bohemian passion twists, like they're super cute. I love all the charms and everything. Like it's just like really summery and fun, and I absolutely just love the blonde on me. Y'all know I rarely wear blonde hair, so I think this is a vibe. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.